da da da. The bread is baked in the morning sun. The door is open, the new day has begun. This film is often watched by young and old. The house is painted in colors bold. The problem is discussed, the computer is repaired. New products are developed as everyone learns. These rules are not followed, that is clear and true. No smoking here, people talk about you, but weird. The book was written in 2020 in a quiet time. The answer was not given despite politeness. The bicycle was stolen last night just like that, without guilt. They were invited to the party with impatience. The problem is discussed, the computer is repaired. New products are developed as everyone learns. These rules are not followed, that is clear and true. No smoking here, people talk about you, but weird. The contract has been signed with pen on paper. All tickets have been sold for the concert here. The room must be cleaned for the guests tonight. This work can be done. It is not heavy, it is healthy. The problem is discussed, the computer is repaired. New products are developed as everyone learns. These rules are not followed, that is clear and true. No smoking here, people talk about you, but weird. More must be done for the environment and people. One can work well here with patience and a wish. The man was arrested by the police on Tuesday night. This painting was painted by Rembrandt with great might. The report is prepared by the team for Monday morning early. The match was watched by millions of people. They cheered and moved. The decision is made by the director with wisdom and care. The letter was sent by me by post to Bruges. Your daughter's attitude is considered rude, but no one says it loud. This city is called the cultural heart. By art and by sorrow, it is made clear that we must wait for better times. Your wishes are taken into account in joy and in suffering. That is often referred to in books and in songs. It is taken care of by me, by you, by all that has happened. This is what is done. What was done? What will be done? What will be done? An eternal song of actions in sunshine and pain.